What's this? What is this? Oh. 'Twas the night before open, no peace, no rest. Charts on the screen, anxiety in the chest. The candles were flat, the futures were red. Bulls saying it's fine, with fear in their head. Bears lurked in the shadows, tweeting, told you so, while meme coins pumped, for absolutely no reason though. I refreshed and refreshed, then refreshed once more. Margin laughed quietly from under the floor. When bang! On the futures, a violent green spike. I spilled my drink yelling, this has to be a hike. Down the chimney came, not Santa, not joy, but Jerome in a suit with the vibe of a decoy. No smile, no warmth, just numbers and doom. He smelled like Excel, an impending kaboom.
I'm just starting to go oogly goo. I'm just starting to go oogly goo. I'm just starting to go oogly goo.
He muttered data, he whispered control, then smacked the whole market directly in the soul. Tech stocks collapsed, small caps evaporated. Your long-term thesis completely invalidated. Crypto ran first, then tripped on its shoe. Bitcoin said, store of value? The market said, haha, not you. He tapped the mic once, said we're not done yet, then vanished like liquidity, right when you bet. I sat there in silence, my P&L a crime, promising myself I'll size down next time. But deep in my heart, I already knew. Tomorrow at open, I'm full porting again too. And I heard in the distance, as futures stayed dead, Merry Christmas, idiot, go back to bed. You lost $50,000 trading NVIDIA calls? Good. Now you can get out of that hole. Price is bouncing through VWAP and I don't understand if it's bullish or bearish. Good. When I'm looking at the options chain and I got a fresh Zin in my mouth and I just drank 3 Celsiuses, you know what I think? Good. I got Marty from accounting telling me we don't have enough cash flow. You know what I say to that? Marty, good. ES just rejected off of London lows. Good. This is capitalism. It's good. I put a limit order right below London lows. Good. Yeah, run away. It swept liquidity and it ran through. Good. In first fair value gaps. Good. Marty, where's your wife? Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and a very merry holiday season to all. This is Red Fern Capital's Christmas special, and we're very sure you're going to enjoy it. From our family here at Red Fern Capital, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. Now let's get to the show. Over this past week, markets remained choppy going into the end of the year, but remained slightly up. Indexes continued to break new lows, but upon today's economic news, we are rallying. Crypto is in the absolute gutter still, with Bitcoin touching its previous low area of around 86,000. Ethereum is just getting absolutely body slammed. It's currently down 6 to 7%. Precious metals, gold and silver, are attempting to break new highs and will most likely accomplish that. They did do that, yes.
Where are we right now?
Red Fern Capital is recorded in an undisclosed location. Please never ask me that again. All right, we got quite a bit of economic data this week. Non-farm payroll increased by 64,000 in November, after a previously revised loss of 105,000 in October. The unemployment rate increased to 4.6%, the highest amount in 4 years. So, I mean, we're just doing great, apparently. You know, we gained 60,000, but last month we lost 105,000. Awesome. Makes a lot of sense. The good news is we beat November's NFP by 19,000, but that isn't so nicely put, especially after an earth-shattering loss of 105,000, from majority which losses came from government employment. Government jobs, people. Also adding, my best little cuddly boyfriend daddy Jerome Powell stated that there is a, quote, systemic overcount in payroll data. This is a persistent issue, and that labor markets are weaker than reported. And I kid you not, quote, treating the Bureau of Labor Statistics with a skeptical eye. Really said that. To summarize this fancy economic vocabulary, just think about our current labor market as a "she's busy, little bro" text from your girlfriend. Hello everyone, we have a reoccurring guest, The Brain. Glad to have you back on the show. Now listen, Brain, I'll be honest. The last interview we had with you wasn't the greatest. I mean, you didn't really give us anything, gave us no insight. And I was gifted a present today. And I wanted to re-gift that present to you. And that gift would be Dave Ramsey's The Total Money Makeover. All right, Brain, we're gonna have to have a serious conversation here. When we give you this, Brain, you're not just gonna take it. You're gonna absorb it. Actually, Brain, we're gonna shove the information of Dave Ramsey down your throat. We're in the bottom scum of all hedge funds. Where we need to belong and where we need to be is on Wall Street. And how are we gonna accomplish that with the crew that we have now? We need you, Brain.
That's where the information, Brain.
What did you ask for Christmas?
I asked Santa a lot of things for Christmas. I wanted an infinite supply of Celsius and energy drinks. I just want happiness for the world.
No, I want everything decimated and destroyed.
And reincarnated under the red Fern capital umbrella of finance. And just mischievous little chemical beings exploding. That's all I want. Consumer Price Index, or for you simpletons in the back of the class, the inflation report, came out better than expected, rising only 2.7%. This is less than expected from the Dow Jones estimated rise of 3.1%. This is great news. We currently have a decrease of inflation on the short term, but let me remind you, we just lowered interest rates. And if you put 2 plus 2 equals 4, lowering rates equals an increase in inflation. Bonus points, your dollar will continue to go to Some other quick that happened this week was Micron's insane earnings report, absolutely crushing revenue and doubling analyst projections with their skyrocketing demand for AI memory chips. Oh, and Mr. Trumpy Poo had a speech to the nation rambling off his normal talking points on tariffs and how cost of living crisis is a hoax.
The gold card, the Trump gold card. Quite a beautiful thing.
This isn't a politics program, so keep the away from me, but in fairness, old man Joey Biden also pulled the same stunt a few years back, when inflation was soul crushing and the average American was also back then. But one very positive takeaway from his speech is that they are giving away active military service a bonus check for $1,776, which I think is a very good thing, and everyone can agree it's a very good thing. And finally, Top Step, okay? Top Step, everyone's favorite futures prop firm, crashed yesterday for like the 8th time in 2 months. Absolutely get it together, Top Step. Okay, people hand over millions of dollars every single month to you, and you can't even keep your software active. Pull it together. What are you doing? My favorite Christmas movie is A Christmas Story, The Grinch, Die Hard is a Christmas movie.
Bold statement.
Huh?
Bold statement.
No, it's a fucking Christmas movie, okay? Get it together. It's a Christmas movie. So last night at True Day Open, I was really kind of looking for shorts. Those did work out pretty well. There was a rejection off of VWAP, and then it went down to previous lows of the market. And then London session was extremely choppy. All the way up until, well, normally it's going to be choppy, especially when CPI news is coming out. That released at 8:30. Of course, at 8:30, before 8:30, we got a pretty nice move. No, you can't do this. Not again. I'm Mr. Heat Miser. I'm Mr. Snow.
Can I ask, why did you feed my dog cat food?
Listen, I was just a full-blown idiot. I didn't mean to feed your dog cat food. I fed him cat food for 4 days straight, and I didn't know. Stop it. I'm really sorry for feeding you cat food. Will you accept my apology? Please be sure to like and subscribe the video. Red Fern Capital on Instagram, Red Fern Capital on TikTok, Red Fern Capital on YouTube. That's why you guys are here. We really depend on you guys to engage with the content, like and subscribe, and that's all you can ask from you.